In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a video in Odoo website. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to open your website and you want to select where you actually want to add the video. So as you can see here, I have some place here on the right. This is where I'm going to actually put a video. So you want to go to the edit button top right. And first, if you don't have any blocks or space, you could go and just add in any blocks you want, and you can then use those to kind of put videos on there. But if you already do have some space, you can just go and scroll down to inner content and you can find a video over here. So just drag and drop it wherever you want to have it. This is quite convenient, as you can see. And then you have a bunch of different ways you can do this. You could post in images over here. You could add documents, icons, or videos. So go over to videos, and here you can use the video code. So you have the option to either put in the video code, either URL or embed. So if you are, for example, on YouTube, you can just copy the link, you can paste it in here, and as you can see, it's going to show one of my videos over here, which I can then add. I can also select if I want to autoplay it, loop it, I can hide controls, hide full screen, vertical, and I can start at a specific timestamp if I want to as well. But if you have like an embed code, you can do that as well. So if I copy the embed code to this specific video, that's also going to embed my video in here, okay? But usually, of course, the link is going to be the easiest method. When you do so, click on the add button and your video is going to get added over here, and then you can click on it and you can of course resize it and you can put it wherever you want, and basically that way kind of customize it and use it however you want inside your website over here. Hit the save button top right and you've got yourself a video inside your website directly in here. So that's how to do this. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.